welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be showing you what I've been eating on a healthy day in quarantine. Every day is always different. Some days I'll eat healthy and some days I'll eat like healthier, and then some days I'll just eat like whatever I can see or like whatever is in sight. So today I'm going to show you what I eat in a healthy day. And so right now I am having breakfast. I always start my day off with the Alani Nu Super Greens. I think it tastes really good, honestly. I just put like 2 or 3 drops of liquid stevia in it, and then it gives me like a good energy boost for the morning. In the first clip you just saw, for breakfast almost every morning I have the same thing, is multi-grain English muffin with a little bit of butter, and then I'll usually have 2 egg whites and then 1 egg cooked, just scrambled. Or that's what I'm going to be eating for breakfast today, and I will see you guys at lunch. So right now it is 12:45, so I'm going to make lunch and I'm going to show you guys what I'm making. So for lunch today, I made something that I discovered yesterday and I've become obsessed with it already. So basically it's like a quesadilla. I made it on a spinach tortilla, and then inside there's hummus and then tomato and then a little bit of cheese. And then I'm also on the side having some pineapple and blueberries. My face is all red because I just finished a workout. I've been really into Sydney Cummings HIIT workouts, so I'll link those below if you guys want to try them. They're really, really good and you burn like a lot of calories doing them. And they're also really fun and not repetitive, so I really like those. So I'm gonna eat my lunch and then I will be back with you guys for dinner. Something that I also wanted to add that I have with every single meal, I always drink a full, this is 32 ounces, a full 32-ounce water bottle throughout the meal, and it just helps fill me up more instead of eating more like snacks or unnecessary food. So water is definitely a big helper in my healthy eating, at least, and I always make sure I drink a ton of water a day, so that's one big thing that always keeps me on track. Forgot to talk about what I ate for dinner, but basically I made myself like a mini taco salad with vegan taco meat from Morningstar. It's their veggie crumbles, and then I just put taco seasoning in it. That's how we make it. And I just did some lettuce and some cheese, and then I forgot to show, but I had a serving of mashed potatoes on the side with that. Other than that, that's all I ate today. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to subscribe and like this video and comment on it and share it around with all your friends, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.